today in class 9 chemistry we will start with the combustion, their reaction, and actually how this combustion reaction takes place with the help of oxygen. Today we will start with this. So far let's start with the combustion reaction.
So we will start with the combustion. That combustion is a chemical process. It is defined like a chemical reaction in which heat and light in the form of a flame are given out is called combustion. That is a rapid oxidation or burning of any substance in which heat and light are produced. So burning or combustion of a combustible substance in presence of excess of the supporter of combustion is called complete combustion, and complete combustion is generally called simply as combustion. So combustion of some substances are, if we see that carbon, if we see that carbon is with C plus O2, then it change into as CO2. If we see again that another combustion of hydrocarbon like CH4 methane, then burn with 2 molecule of oxygen, and then comes as CO2 plus 2H2O plus heat and light. So natural gas and biogas contain methane. So burning of natural gas and biogas are also combustion reaction. Burning of LPG produces CO2, H2O, heat and light. That is a butane LPG. The C4H10 plus 13 by 2 molecule of O2, and change into 4CO2 plus 5H2O plus heat plus light. Combustion of cellulose, if we see wood, paper, cotton, cloth, etc., all contain cellulose. Cellulose is a carbohydrate and can be described by the formula if we see C6H10O5 whole to the power n. On combustion, cellulose like wood, cotton, cloth and paper gives CO2 and H2O. So that is C6H12H10O5 whole to the power n plus 6NO2 change into 6NCO2 plus 5NH2O plus heat plus light. Combustion of alcohol, if we see, then also such as ethanol burn to give flame and heat, C2H5OH plus 3 molecule O2 change into 2CO2 plus 3H2O plus heat and light. Now move on to the what are the combustible and non-combustible substance. The substance which burn rapidly readily are called combustible substance, that petrol, LPG, wax, kerosene, paper, cloth, wood, coal. These are the example of combustible substance. And the substance which do not burn are called non-combustible substances, like water, glass, sand are non-combustible substances. So these are the different way we can see that combustible, non-combustible substances. Now we want to the mean by supporter of combustion. A substance help in combustion or burning or combustible material, that is called the supporter of combustion, or oxidizer, like during the combustion of carbon, oxygen is supporter of combustion. Nitrous oxide N2O is another supporter of combustion. Nitrous oxide supports combustion more vigorously than air. That is this is because of decomposition. Nitrous oxide give gas mixture containing 1/3 of its volume as oxygen, whereas air contains only 1/5 of its volume. So 2N2O, the change into 2N2 plus O2. Now move on to the necessary condition for combustion. Burning take place, that is different conditions are there. The presence of combustible substance which we burn readily is called combustible substance. So for a combustion it is to take place, a combustible substance should be present. Second, the presence of supporter of combustion. A combustible substance contain to burn only if there is a continuous supply of supporter of combustion. For example, coal, charcoal burn in the presence of oxygen. If the supply of oxygen, air, combustion burning stops. This is proved by the simple experiment also. Candle and Belger are the experiment. Now third is the initial heating or to bring the combustible substance to its ignition temperature. It is a common experience that coal, kerosene, LPG do not catch fire on their own even when placed in air for long. So same is true for almost all the combustible material. So the lowest temperature up to which a substance must be heated before it catches fire is called its ignition temperature. And the ignition temperature is also called the kindling temperature. Ignition temperature of combustible substance depends upon the chemical nature. So different combustible substance have different ignition temperature also. So ignition temperature of diesel is higher than that of petrol, that is gasoline. The substance also that's having low ignition temperature catch fire easily, like if we see that ignition temperature of any substance lower than the room temperature, it will catch fire as soon as brought into the air. No initial heating is needed in that case. Such combustibles are called spontaneously inflammable. Yellow phosphorus having ignition temperature of 30 degrees centigrade catches fire when kept in air. So this is due to this reason yellow phosphorus is always stored under water. So today up to that, next we will start with another topic.